Homemade hair oil recipe for strong and healthy hair. This DIY hair oil combines mustard oil, fenugreek sieve or muslin cloth to remove the seeds. Store. Transfer the oil to a glass bottle and store it in a cool, dry place. How to use. Warm a small amount of the oil before applying. Massage it into your scalp and hair for 5 to 10 minutes. Leave it on for at least 1 to 2 hours or overnight for deep nourishment. Wash off with a mild shampoo. Use 2-3 times a week for best results. This oil strengthens hair roots, reduces hair fall, and promotes faster growth. Let me know if you need any variations.